how to set mute post notification on Facebook. And okay guys, here in your mobile phone, go to Facebook application. Here in Facebook homepage, go to menu on the lower right side on your screen, tap menu. Here in menu, go to gear icon on the upper right side on your screen, tap gear icon. Here in settings and privacy and preference section, you can see here the notification. Okay, tap this. In notification and manage your notification section, you can see here the mute push notification. And the mute push notification is set into off. Okay, you'll have to do is tap this. And you can see the pop-up below are show. Okay, there are options here, so you can set the mute push notification into off, 15 minutes, 1 hour, 2 hours, 4 hours, or 8 hours. And okay guys, I decide to set into 1 hour. And after that, tap the save button. And that's it. Okay, you have successfully set the mute push notification on Facebook. And okay guys, if you have a question, kindly comment below. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new video. Okay, thanks for watching.